I think that living in a place like this would be great. If I had a shack on the end of the island, I would live in it for the rest of my life. I think that's what people underestimate, is that places like this, the peace, the serenity, the space that it can bring you. I mean, sure, things are temporary, they're fleeting, which it seems like is a common theme, because I think I mentioned that the last property I was at, but still, people get too caught up in the temptations and the problems of life because they're in close proximity to them. I mean, obviously you're going to have more of a struggle with temptation, with doubt, with self-worth, if you're around things that are supposed to make you feel a certain way. I mean, if you change how you value certain things, if you limit yourself as far as opportunities, if you bring in temptation, I mean, all it's going to do is make it harder for you to avoid what you don't want and make it harder for you what you do want. I mean, is that illogical? I don't think that it's illogical. I think people choose not to see it because they try to ignore the bad things that will come at some point. Have I not been recording this entire time? Because that would be tragic. I'm gonna go down the whole way, make sure I get it, and then I think I'll come back. I really don't know what else I can do for this property. I'll probably take some panoramic images focused on the boat, and I think that's gonna probably be the last of it. I wonder if, am I being hunted by birds right now? Look at all these birds around me. Are they attacking me? Are they swarming me? Do they think I'm a hawk? There's no way, right? Look, they look like they're diving at me. Are they gonna hit me? Whoa, yeah, they are. Did you see how close that one just got? That was insane. All right, we're running. We're running from the bird. They can't catch up, surely. Are they that fast? Oh my. Wow. No way. You saw that? I have to see that. Are they still chasing me? That one is. All right. We're gonna sneak over here. I'm gonna take a few shots of the boat, and we're gonna get out of here before the birds take my... Look, no, they're following me. They're right there. Yeah, look at them all. Wow, okay. This is kind of actually a problem. Are they gonna hit me? Could you imagine if I got a picture of one? All right, we're just gonna do a flyby. Wow, this is crazy. Come on, don't take me out of the sky. Don't take me out of the sky. Because I want to go all the way around, and I want to... What was that? I want to see the water from the perspective of the property. Because, I mean, come on. Look at that. I'll do one more from by the house, and then